So everybody wants to be famous on YouTube. So I'm pretty sure that's why you clicked on this video, because something, caught your attention to, something, right? So the thing about it is, everybody tries to make it famous on YouTube. So they ask you, how do you make it on famous? And people say, good content, stick with it, stuff like that, right? And the thing about it is, shit, they probably had their channel for about 7, 8, 10 years and stuff like that. So you're like, well, damn, I'm starting right now. So I don't want to wait 10 years to start making money on YouTube and stuff like that, right? So everybody makes the same mistakes, They start investing in money into content and stuff like that, and they never really make it. And they give up actually before they actually make money and stuff like that. So it took me some time. So I've tried everything. So if you watch my past videos, I was doing virtual reality. So I thought virtual reality was the way. So I invested a lot of money on virtual reality stuff and was doing virtual reality videos and stuff like that, right? So the thing about it is, I really didn't get the views and stuff like that I wanted, right? So I start looking at other people's videos on how to make money and stuff like that. So I learned little passive ways to adapt to make money on YouTube and stuff like that, right? So now the main thing that I messed up at, because just say I got videos years old and stuff like that, and they got maybe 50,000 views on them, or something like that, right? But the thing about it is, until I monetize my channel, I didn't get paid for anything. So you don't get paid for anything past. So once you monetize your channel, then you start getting paid, right? So if I would have known now, I would have monetized my channel first. So in order to monetize your channel, you have to have about 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. And then my first time I got denied. So the thing is, because I had videos from all over the place, I didn't have a niche. So YouTube
Laughter challenge. So we got the hottest hot sauce in the world. So what we're gonna do is, here, hold that. Somehow you can turn it off.
We got success in the building. This is June and he's on the road to 1 billion. Let's go. Hey, said this is June 1 billion, and we gotta make it happen. Ain't no limit, no ceiling. So
I didn't have a niche. So YouTube, you have to focus on something. So then I start focusing on the gaming. So once I start focusing on the gaming stuff, I resubmitted my application, and then I got approved. So then I was able to start making money. So now the thing is, like I say, if I'd have known to begin with, I would have actually monetized my station first. So my advice to everybody, if you starting off, focus on monetizing your station. It really doesn't matter the content at first. Monetize, because once you do get the content going, then you at least can get paid for the content and stuff like that, right? So my main focus on these videos right now is I'm going to show you how my path to go from just say a few thousand views to maybe 1 million views, 100,000 views, how long it takes, how much I get paid. So I'm gonna let you guys see my journey. So my point right now, I'm at the point where I'm finna start advertising. So for advertisement, to afford my advertising, so I'm like a one-man band. I don't have a production crew, so everything is like 100% on me, right? So back in the day, we used to have to get grants and, business loans and stuff like that, or ask family members and stuff like that. So in order for me not to ask family members or someone else or, like that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell my car. So we're going to watch me sell my S550. Here it go right here. Okay, so that's the car. So I'm going to sell that car. We're going to watch a video. I'm going to sell it for about maybe something cheap, maybe $7,000 or something like that, just to get some money to do some advertisement and just to gain subscribers and stuff like that. So with no further ado, we're gonna get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we're gonna get you part 2 of my video, because like I said, these videos are not sponsored. We're gonna see how long it takes me to go from 1 million subscribers. I mean, from 0 to 1,000. Already got 1,000 or so. From monetization to 10,000 to 100,000 and so forth. So hopefully you join me with this journey, and I'm gonna have other videos and stuff like that. So other business tips and stuff like that. So maybe you'll watch my business tips and videos and stuff like that, or my virtual reality videos. But at this time, I'm just gonna show you the inside of my life on how I get from, you know, nowhere to somewhere. So no further ado, we're gonna get up out of here.
Hey, we got success in the building. This is June, and he's on the road to 1 billion. Let's go. Hey, said this is June 1 billion, and we gotta make it happen. Ain't no limit, no ceiling. 1855 June billion. Success is what he wants. Make sure that you check the site, June1billion.com. Hey, gotta feel him. Ain't no limit, ain't no ceiling. If you ready, then let's get it. This is June 1 billion. Woo! June 1 billion. Hey.